Welcome to the Storage Commander Network. This is going to be a brief beginner tutorial on how to utilize Storage Commander's built-in CRM, or Customer Relations Management. Just to highlight a few of the points that we're going to be going over today, we're going to be going over the Contacts icon, the Reservation icon, the Reservation tab in the Quick View, the Contacts List section in the Quick View, and also the New Inquiry tab. As you can see from the Contacts List section, I already have created a few dummy accounts for this, but we're going to be focusing on creating a new inquiry. For this, we're going to proceed to the Contacts tab in the upper section and select New on the right portion. From here, you'll see a basic entry form for the customer's information. I'm going to just put in some random information right now. That way at least we can get a kind of general feel of what's going on for here. Once you have gathered enough information for your contact, you can go ahead and proceed to requested unit. This will basically be just telling you what type of unit the customer is interested in. For here, we're going to go directly to unit size and just say that they've shown some interest in 10 by 10s. If that's all the information that you've gained from the customer during that call, you can proceed to contact info. From here, you can select a source, say it was a referral, and they called on the phone. The outcome is they were just looking, and the category was a local resident. Closure reason, they like us because we have a clean facility. Let's say it's the 18th now, they want to move in on the 31st, and let's set an appointment to call them back up on Wednesday. So just doing that, you kind of set yourself up for some data mining here so you can have that information for future purposes. Afterwards, you can proceed to the Notes and Comments section. In here, the notes are generally like a scratch pad that anyone can come in and edit, while the comments are kind of solidified and you can only be inputted and not edited at all. Over here you can see that any comments you put in here are automatically date and time stamped. Also includes the user who's actually putting in the information. Alerts will set up a red alert every single time you pull up that particular contact, just to give you any notes on the particular person. Let's say this person is military, even though we should have put that in the previous text. But over here we can just see that that'll come up. Once you put that in, that's actually added automatically onto your contact list. Now that we've completed creating our contact, you can find that contact by either scrolling down in the contact screen or simply typing it in the search bar located at the top right. You can also see it in the manager's quick view under the quick view contacts list over here as well. Now let's say for instance that you're calling a customer to follow up and the customer has realized that all of a sudden they want a different size. First off, I want to point out that the military alert that we set up automatically came up. Second off, I want to go over to requested unit and they want a 10 by 20 instead of that 10 by 10. I'm going to also go ahead and make a note over there as well and say customer would like 10 by 20. New piano. There's some more information on there, it never hurts. So basically over there, that's just one quick way that you can just go back in and edit that list that you've already created. Now that we've learned how to create and edit a new contact, let's turn a contact into a reservation. For this, simply go to your list of contacts and select which customer you'd like to do. I'm going to select Angela Brown and simply click on Reservation. Now from here you can see generally all the available units. We're going to want to sort this just to get down to what Angela wanted. She wanted a 10 by 20, so let's bring up any available 10 by 20s that we have and continue to customer. Now from here you can fill out any additional information that wasn't automatically brought over from the contact screen. You can also utilize a combo scanner and customer access terminal to do this as well. After you continue filling out all this information, you can go over to billing detail to get some more. This is going to be a local resident. The contact source is going to be from a referral, and the reason for renting is because we have a clean facility. Now if we had any transactions, clicking the calculate button would actually show that, but since we don't during this reservation, we can just continue and finish this reservation. And as you can see, that reservation is still on our contact list, but now is also showing itself in the reservations. Now that we've covered the contacts list and reservations list, I want to move on to my favorite part, which is the New Inquiry tab. The New Inquiry tab is a feature unique to Storage Commander and utilizes Google Maps integration. Let's say that you are an owner of multiple facilities in one particular area, or a part of a management team that manages multiple facilities in one particular area. For this example, what I'm basically trying to get at is that if you have a customer that comes over, and let's say your particular facility is out of 5x5s, instead of sending them over to one of your competitors, you can utilize this Google Maps integration to find out if any of your other facilities might be able to accommodate. For this particular example, I'm just going to pull up, and so this facility comes up over here, and you can see that they currently have 6 5x5s available. Now, the great thing that I want to point out is that by picking one of the units from over in there, you can actually do everything that you can from that facility, but still from the comfort of your own for this particular customer. So let's say that this customer was looking into reserving unit number 2, which is a 5x5 at this particular location. Simply select reserve unit and fill out their information. So put in anything that you need to put in there, the contact information all over again. Obviously there's still nothing that they're going to have to pay, and you simply click finish, and now you actually have a reservation that's going to be registered at a different location that you've already completed over there. Simply send the customer over there themselves, or contact them and let them know that you have a customer interested. And that's going to wrap up our presentation on how to use Storage Commander's built-in customer relations management. For further information, visit our website at www.storagecommander.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you.